Are you somebody that's looking to grow your small and local business with digital marketing tools? You've come to the right place. Over the next couple of months, I'm going to be expanding out the tutorials that I'm running beyond Facebook and going on to email marketing, content marketing, website marketing, landing page optimization, and creating content that is strong, compelling, dynamic, engaging, and unique. And these are going to be tutorials that you can use and apply to your small and local business to generate more leads and sales online. So I look forward to sharing these tutorials with you and cannot wait to help you get maximum value as we go through the next series. So we're going to be looking at email marketing with MailChimp. We're going to be looking at website design with Elementor. We're going to have a look at SEO best practices. We're going to be looking at how to get the most out of your landing page and what some of the best in the business are doing right now. And if you're someone that's looking to get the most out of this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the video below with any tutorial requests that you've got that would help you grow your business.